Like, look at that white. See it? Do you see it? The audacity of you. Get out of my hair. Hey. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Robin, aka Drknlvely. If this is your first time here, first time seeing the mug, I need you to go ahead and subscribe. Become part of the team. It's the Dark Knight Squad, you feel me? You know, we knights over here, dark knights, okay? So, I always get asked, what do you use to moisturize your hair? How do you moisturize your hair? All that good stuff. So we're about to do that today. I'm about to moisturize the hair. I washed my hair yesterday. I know y'all asking for a hair up or a wash update, but look, baby steps. I just got y'all that 4-year lock update. I ain't did the lock update in a year because I didn't do a 3-year update. But look, baby steps. So now we are doing a moisturize my locks, and matter of fact, hold on, I have to go and get the mirror because I need to be able to see. Okay, I moved, so now I have to move my mirror. Okay, so you guys always ask me what I use to moisturize my locks, and honestly I don't do that much. I mainly focus on moisturizing as I have a fur ball in my hair. Like I said in my update video, if you guys haven't seen that, click the link in the description. The link just, yeah, maybe if I sit like this, hopefully I won't swing. But I do grease my scalp. And normally after I wash my hair, I like to grease my scalp while my hair is still damp. And I did not do that yesterday just because I was just happy that I actually washed my hair. So if you guys don't know, I oil my scalp with a mixture of jojoba oil, lemongrass, and tea tree. That's it, that's all I do. Alright? I don't do nothing more. I talked about in my 4-year update in regards to possibly trying Jamaican black castor oil, but that's still a thought. So basically what I do, I just take it and I just part my locks and I just oil my scalp. Okay, that's what I do, baby. That's what I do. Okay, and this is mainly just on my scalp. I never put this oil on my locks. Now when I go and I do like this, does some of the oil get on my locks? Yes, on the shaft of my locks, yes, but I'm not specifically taking it, putting it in my hand and rubbing it. Even though it's still a light oil, I just don't put this oil that I put on my scalp directly on my locks. Okay, so right now we are just moisturizing, baby. We're moisturizing now. Of course I can't see the back of my head, so then that's when I just take it upon myself to part and conquer. Okay, part and conquer. Okay, so I would say that's half of my head. So then I take my hand and I just moisturize. I just rub that oil in, saying that I would strategically part my hair in half and oil one side, rub it in, and do the same with the other. And I pay close attention to my edges right here, perimeter, because that's a lot where I get the flakage at. Like, it just builds up. So I try and not do too much because this is still a light oil, but I still try and not do too much, but I try and keep my hair moisturized, or my scalp moisturized. So in regards to moisturizing routines, this is for scalp, my hair as well. So my whole head as a whole, including my scalp, not just my locks, okay? So now we're gonna continue and do the same thing on this side. And sometimes, most of the times, I'll go and I'll do a horizontal spray. So just back and forth like that. There about it. So then, take my hands, just moisturize, rub in, you know what I mean. I'm using weird terms for this, but I'm basically distributing that oil that I put in my head, okay? Okay, and don't forget about the back. Can't forget about the back. Moisturize. I'm gonna make sure I got everything, especially at the top, because that's like a meaty part of my head. So all right, now that my scalp is moisturized, okay, and sometimes my scalp eats this oil up. This will literally last me probably like 2 days, if that, depending on how thirsty my scalp was before. And since I skipped yesterday, this will probably only last me till tomorrow. So we are going to just do in the middle one more time, because I do feel like it soaked that up. Now that we have my scalp moisturized, we are going to now moisturize my locks, my shafts, okay? So now we're gonna once again split it, so we have equal amounts to work with at least, okay? So now, literally, this is like the littlest amount of water in here, so hopefully this gets me through what I need to do with you guys, because I didn't feel like refilling it right now. But this is just filtered water and lemongrass essential oil. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to moisturize my locks, okay? Okay, yeah, we're good. Continuous, I got this from Sally's. A little bit. Now this is the step that I normally wouldn't do yesterday because my hair was already down. So I'm just kind of putting the moisture back into my head. Now I'm lightly dampening my hair. Like my hair is not going to be soaking wet. I just want to lightly damp it. It shouldn't be damp enough to where it feels like it'll leave an impression on your clothes, okay? So now we're gonna do this side, fix my necklace because it bugs me, okay? And we're gonna rub that water in that just kind of sits on the top of my head sometimes. And I do use rose water, but now lately I've just been using filtered water with some lemongrass because I like the way it smells. I like the way the rose water smells as well, but I just like this. So now that we've gotten my hair all damp, lightly damp. Now what I've been recently doing, and it's because it's hot, I've been using coconut oil, okay? And you can see it's hot because this just melted. So carefully, and only because I love the smell, but literally this is how I get the oil. I take my 2 fingers and I dip it in and I take it out. And whatever oil is on my fingers is the oil that's going into my hair, okay? Then I take it and I rub it, and then my hair should already be separated. So then I take it and then I just lightly take it through my hair, okay? Lightly, okay, through the front, okay? And then we'll take the rest and I'll go like this, okay? And then we'll just go like this. This is what I do, okay? This works for me, y'all, okay? This is what I do for my locks. And this is a new routine. The coconut oil is a new routine that I'm adding, and I'm pulling my hair taut, not tight, to distribute the oil, okay? And then that is it. This is my hair. Zoomed in. This is it. Yeah, so I will only do the coconut once a week. I will not do that, and since this is already Friday and I washed my hair yesterday, so I won't do it again until Friday. And that's if I wash my hair next week on Thursday. But I will continuously spritz my hair throughout the week as needed. Like if I feel like my hair is dry, I'm gonna spray it. And my scalp as needed. If I feel like my scalp is dry, I'm gonna grease it. So yeah, so that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. You see it? So yeah, almost fell. That's it. Let's turn around so you can see. That's what the hair looks like. Yeah, that's it. Get a close-up. Here are my ends. Normally, after I'm done doing this, it's really humid now. So normally, I would just put my hair up like that. And just off my, like that. That is it. That is all I do. I just leave it alone. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video in regards to how I moisturize my scalp and my locks. If you guys have any more questions, please comment down below and let me know what those questions are, and let me know down below what you use to grease your scalp and moisturize your locks, and even if you do it, and how has it benefited your lock journey. So yes sis, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.